What's up, everybody? Joe with Joe's Golden Garage coming to you from the auction, and I have found a little diamond in the rough. This is a 2018 Acura MDX trade-in at the Acura dealership for a new one, I assume. What makes this Acura a little unusual is it has 237,000 miles on it. That's right, a 2018. But boy, you cannot tell it. It is so minty nice. It's got nice new Goodyear tires. The paint, even though we got some pollen, the paint looks good. Oh, the rear seat and everything looks really good. Doesn't look like we hauled too many kids. I don't think we have climate control back here, but I'm not sure if we have heated seats or not. But we have a third row. This thing's really clean, y'all. Really clean. The only blemish I could find was it looks like they got a little paint. I thought it was a tear or hole at first, but it's paint, or like a paint pen or something. So that can probably be scrubbed out. If not, I have some black dye that can touch that up. But this thing's beautiful, beautiful. I haven't even driven it around the track yet. I wanted to look under the hood. This is a timing belt engine. That's the only thing I don't like about the Acuras versus a Lexus SUV. This is a timing belt engine. I was going to look for a sticker. I do not see one. Probably will show up on the Carfax. Got a little delamination, or we need to sand this and clean this up. This is your, your sensor for all your safety nannies. That needs to be cleaned up a little bit. Bumper looks good. Everything's nice. Wheels, nope, just a little tiny curb rash. Everything looks really good on this one. Oh yeah, very nice. Somebody bought this and just put it on the highway. That's exactly what they did. All-wheel drive. Nice MDX rubber mat. That of course is removable, so you can fold up the third row. The only other thing I noticed is, look right here along the edge. I don't know, let me go the other direction because I'm in the sun. It looks like maybe a tree limb may have fallen right here on the edge. I've got some very small little dings. Ding, 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 ding. They're not that bad. Paint dent removal could probably remove them. Either something in the garage fell on it, or maybe a tree limb. Not too noticeable because it took me a minute to notice it myself. We have a fresh oil change, 90% left on that. Let's take her for a spin. Cold AC. Now this has got lots of screens, and ooh, we got 2 screens. We've got the push button transmission, drive, neutral, reverse, and park. Do we have, oh yeah, we have lane keep assist, and we have adaptive cruise control, so that's nice. This did say that it had the tech package, so I'm assuming that's what that all includes. This thing is dying to connect to my phone. Please connect, please. Push button start, of course. How many keys do I have? Do I just have one key? Darn it. Why can't people turn in both keys? Wow, this thing's really nice. Very smooth, very tight. Got us a little traffic jam up here. Let's see what we got. Sunroof, let's make sure that works, of course. I mean, this thing's only a few years old. I figure we're probably not going to have really any issues. Let's test the good old get up and go here. Holy crap. Woo. Wow. Quick. Quick, quick, quick. And that all-wheel drive system, you will not spin a tire. Man, it just hooks up and goes. Good grief. I got to do that again. Steering wheel. I love the steering wheel. It's nice and fat and feels very leathery. It doesn't have a bunch of goo and crap on it. Like I said, this thing was just, someone just stuck it on the interstate and just cruised right along. And I'm thinking whoever it was probably short, because I had to scoot the seat way back, and I had to I'm having to adjust the seat belt height. So might have been female owned, small female, who knows, just making some assumptions. Let's roll. Holy cow. Man, this is like a sports car. So, what does something like this sell for? Well, that's a good question. There's not enough information out there to get a market value on it, simply because of it being so new, yet having high mileage. Gosh, I don't even know where to guess. I'm going to guess somewhere around, I don't know, I'll say 10, and I may be, you know, I may be way under. It could be more like 15. I mean, because this still feels like a, you know, if this was a 2018 with normal mileage, it still feels like it'd be close to a $30,000 vehicle. But with the with the high miles, I'm not real sure. So anyway, y'all like, comment, subscribe, tell me what you think about the 2018 Acura MDX. We'll see you with the next one. Peace.